Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will solve a challenge by finding the correct number or flag of this program, which is created by CytronicSec. So we'll learn the process to find the correct number or the flag of CytronicSec crack me program using the IDA tool. Here we have shortened the whole analysis process to accommodate the video. Basic assembly language knowledge is required, which is completely optional. Here in this video, some key concepts of assembly language is mentioned. Please follow this. Always remember that the jump instruction comes immediately after the compare instruction. So let's start the process and crack the program. See, the program is finding the correct number, means which is the flag. In case the number is not correct, it is showing a message wrong number. So open the program using IDEA tool. Don't change any setting, it will automatically detect the thing. The gray colored area are the data sections. So let's check all the functions which are in the data section. So we are not getting what we are looking for. Let's debug the crackme application using the debugger. Now pause the debugger and terminate the process. Let's analyze the functions in the data section again. Let's analyze the main function and its subfunction. This subfunction looks interesting. Let's analyze it. Here we can mark that there is a compare function, and after that immediately there is a jump function. J and Z is a conditional jump function which indicates that if the result is not 0, then it will show something. If 0, it will show something. So after the jump, one arrow is showing this is the number, which make this jump interesting. Now let's analyze the CMP function before the jump function. The CMP function is comparing the source, which is the input, with the predefined value. This value looks like a hexadecimal value. Let's convert it to decimal value. So this is the decimal number. Okay, let's try the predefined value we got as our input. The interesting thing of this challenge is nothing mentioned as a string. Even the values are getting populated during the runtime. Finally, we got the success message. We got our flag. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.